Would you rather? Nope, I'm done.
We're out.
What's up, guys? Matt Klein here. Don't worry, that's gonna open it up.
There's no air there, is there?
Yeah.
This tastes weird.
Hi, I'm Sam.
I do not sound like that.
Help me now. I feel like a whippet guy off of Intervention.
Helium edition.
What's up, guys? So, we're gonna do a little fun thing that I thought of the other day, and that would be asking each other would you rather questions, but a Vanlife edition. And because it was Matt's 30th birthday a couple days ago, we are going to use helium balloons. So we're going to be asking each other the questions while on helium. So, would you rather, Vanlife edition?
30th birthday edition.
Would you rather sleep on a tree branch or sleep in a bear den?
I would rather sleep in a bear den for sure. Any day. I don't need to be falling out of a tree. Would you rather eat chocolate-flavored poop or poop-flavored chocolate?
I think I would like, oh my god,
Chocolate flavored poop?
maybe? Because poop flavored chocolate would be gross.
But it's chocolate, it's not poop.
I know.
But it would taste
She
so
said she would
bad.
eat poop.
I would eat poop because it's chocolate flavored. Would you rather take a bath in 0-degree lake or never take a shower for 6 months?
I'd rather take the lake anytime. Would you rather find a bear or a skunk when you go out to pee in the middle of the night?
A skunk.
Oh, god damn it.
A bear could attack me and eat me. Where am I?
Would you rather
Poop in a giant litter box in your van or poop in a cup?
Depends what I'd be doing with the cup afterwards. Don't be laughing at me now.
I
think the litter box would be kind of cool, actually, because it would be floral scented, I believe, and it would just dry up, and I'd throw it out the window while I drive down the highway. Would you rather run out of water or have no electricity? Vanlife.
No electricity, I believe. Would you rather sleep in a tent, van, or sleep under the stars with the bears?
I hate the rain, so I cannot risk sleeping outside under the stars. Sorry.
you sound very flamboyant?
I know. Would you rather camping chairs or an inflatable air lounger filled with helium, of course? Take a deep breath. That's the end of it.
Don't kill yourself.
Air loungers, for sure.
You don't need to squeeze it.
Would you rather
Run out of water or run out of gas in the boonies on a hot summer day?
Water, gas wins every time. Pro pipeline. Would you rather mosquitoes or horseflies? Chasing you down on your pedal bike.
Definitely mosquitoes, because horseflies are fucking terrible.
Yeah, they are.
They
Definitely.
bite way worse, and mosquitoes I can deal with, but
Millions of mosquitoes. It's brutal. But so would millions of horseflies be brutal.
mosquitoes?
But mosquitoes outnumber horseflies.
I'd still choose mosquitoes because
Okay.
it's not as painful. It would suck
you're
either
from
way.
Ontario.
I hate horseflies.
would you rather walk barefoot into a tick nest or a cluster of scorpions?
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, jeez.
Oh, I'd have to say the ticks. I would take the ticks.
Yeah?
Yeah, I would.
You would get the poisoning? Or the
No,
disease?
I would get them. I would pull them out when I was done. Scorpions would kill you. Like, bam. Would you rather not shower for a week or wear the same clothes and underwear included for an entire week?
Didn't I do that this whole trip? I would rather not shower for a whole week, because then at least I can change my undies.
That's what a girl would say. A guy wouldn't say that.
And I mean, you can always baby wipe it, and we're good. Okay.
Last one.
Would you rather wipe your ass with bark or poison ivy?
I would choose the bark. It
Yeah.
would be rough, but I think at the end of the day you'd get through it, whereas poison ivy would last for days.
Yeah.
Guaranteed.
That would be
It
painful.
would be horrible. Still, don't kill yourself. Thank you for watching the
Thank you
video.
for watching.
Hopefully you found this entertaining, and happy birthday to me and Sam a couple weeks ago, or a month
A
ago.
month ago, exactly.
It was a fun adventure, and now we're gonna settle down here in the land of the little people. Vancouver.
Yes, we have to get back to jobs and back to the normal life.
Paying bills.
Paying bills.
And we had
Paying bills. Please.
We had a very fun trip, and we hope you like the videos that are going to be coming out.
There's plenty of more in the future.
Yes.
All different things. We might be building a tiny house, but that's for
Yes.
another
That's
video.
for another time, so you guys are just going to have to wait for like a year or 2 or 10, or you never know.
Alright.
Maybe we'll just surprise you out of nowhere and be like, surprise! So thanks.
Wait till you have to
As
get up.
always, subscribe, like,
Share.
share, and hit the bell button.
Sharing is
And
caring.
we'll be here doing totally crazy things. There's still some stuff left for mountain biking. It's rained this week, but it's
Still
gonna
spring.
be nice,
Fall.
and it's spring-ish. Yeah, it's fall. So
Not
winter's
spring.
not here. Winter's not here yet. But even in the winter, it's Vancouver, so we'll still be riding bikes, and my voice is back to normal.
Life is back to normal.
Life is back to normal. Getting back to normal.
Yeah, get
We
it.
don't start working for another couple weeks.
We got internet though.
Yeah, we got internet today, so that's awesome. More updates on that. We'll create a video or something to tell you what we're doing and explaining the whole situation.
Until next time!
You're gonna feel sick. You look like an addict.
I love you.